Brad from WPSites.net. We've taken a look in the previous 10 videos at all the administrative functions in the WordPress dashboard. Now let's just take a look at the appearance and the look and feel of WordPress. By default, when you install the latest version of WordPress, there'll be the 2012 default theme installed, and it's fairly plain. It's fairly minimalistic. You might want to modify this theme, customize it, add in logo and a header, change the background color. There's all sorts of things you might want to do, or an easier way would be to simply change the theme. Now WordPress offers thousands of different free themes, and what they do is they change the appearance and the styling of your site. They'll change the layout, and they'll add different design options as well, so it makes it easier to customize. On top of that, you've got a range of different premium themes which offer even more design options, and also provide support, so you can whenever you get stuck, you want to customize your own site, you can contact support. And Thesis and Genesis are the two best premium theme developers in my opinion. So let's just have a look at changing the appearance of a WordPress site. We'll have a look at my existing site, WPSites.net, and we'll just go to themes. The current theme I have installed here is called the magazine theme. You can see it here. It's built on the Genesis theme framework. So firstly you install Genesis, and then you install this theme over the top. But I've got a couple of other themes here as well which I've used. Now here's 2011. This is last year's default theme for WordPress. You can click on Live Preview, and you'll probably find this theme's also installed in your WordPress installation, and you can see what your site will look like with a different theme. So here's what my site looks like if I activated the 2011 default theme. You can see it's a different sort of layout. There's a lot more spacing between the text, between the paragraphs. The bullet points are different. It's quite a nice theme. This is a free theme, but it doesn't offer the design options which a premium theme normally offers. You can see all the navigation menus a bit different. Obviously the header items, that's the standard default which you'll get in the theme. Now you can preview all these different things here. You can change the site title, or you can remove it entirely just to see what the site will look like without the title, and that'll automatically remove the title for you. So there you can see now we've just got the header image and the navigation menu. You can also change the colors. With the 2011 default theme, you can choose from a lighter or a dark background. Now this is a light background, so we can change that to dark, and that'll change the background of the theme. It might take a few seconds to update. So there you can see you could have a dark background with white text. It looks quite good. I think this is good for a photography site if you want to display images. Let's just go back to the light setting there, and also the layout. You can preview what the different layouts will look like. Let's have a look at what layout options we've got here. We've got content on the left, content on the right, or one column, no sidebar. So these are the different page templates or the different layout settings which this particular theme offers, and different themes offer different settings for design and layout. So here, if we choose the one column, no sidebar, we've pretty much just got a pretty narrow sort of site, purely just with the main content area. And there's no widget areas or sidebars on the left or the right. So this is very focused. If you're wanting to make a site which requires landing pages and without a blog or anything like that, you could possibly use this theme here. Now the header image, we can simply change the header image. This is a default header image, and these are all the standard default images that are included. So we can preview these and see what they look like, or you can upload your own custom header image, and that looks quite nice. It's one of the default default images, so you can see what it looks like when you add a really nice image. Now you can even remove the image there as well. If you want to remove the any of those images, you can remove them and completely remove the header image. Background image, you can also add a, there we go, we've removed the header image, so we've just got the navigation menu there and the main content area. So let's just have a look at, you can also change the background color or the background image. You could upload a file. I haven't created one, but let's just have a look at what it would look like. I've got some images in here. You could add a nice image of the beach or something. Make sure it's related to the to your site, and you could add that as a background image, and you could see what that looks like now. It looks quite good. It's obviously going to be tiled like that, which might not look the best. So there are different plugins you can install, so your image scrolls with your the rest of your site, and you won't have these joins right here. So you can do that as well with WordPress. Let's remove that image, and let's have it take a look at the navigation. Select. Let's take a look at the secondary navigation. So we'll change this navigation and see what this looks like. That looks a lot better. So we've just got a basic navigation here, and we've got the content area. We don't have a header image. We'll add a header image. We'll print one of these really nice header images. Let's try this one here and see what this looks like. So that looks pretty good. It's a small narrow site, but you can easily change that, change the format there. We've taken a look at navigation. You can also change the front page display and see what that'll look like with a static page. So you may want to create a static page and use that as your front page, and create a separate page for your blog, which is something that I've done. So you could have your front page could display any page you like, really. I haven't created a custom page. My theme includes widgets, so I'll just choose this as an example, and I've created a page for the blog. So let's just have a look at see what that looks like. So it just basically gives you an idea of what can be done, what you can preview with the different themes to make sure it has the look and the appearance that you're wanting to achieve. So let's just cancel that. That's just a bit of a demo. I've currently got the magazine theme installed. I've got this area here. If you go to appearance themes, this will display all your currently uploaded themes. So you may have several different themes that you've uploaded, but only one's active. If you want to install a new theme, it's simply a matter of going to appearance themes, install themes, and uploading that theme from your desktop or wherever you've stored it. Let's just go to the demo site here, and we'll use the demo site. We'll upload a couple of themes. We'll just log into the dashboard of the demo site, appearance, themes. I've already got a lot of these installed, so let's just install another one which I don't. Upload, and I'll find one on the desktop. I've downloaded several. Let's have a look here. There's one which I haven't uploaded, and what's it called? Sea Light. This is by Woo Themes. They've got a very large selection of themes. I think the three best premium theme developers are StudioPress, which are built on the Genesis framework. I think ColorQB, which are built on Thesis, and Woo Themes. So let's just preview this. Now this is a theme by Woo Themes. Let's just activate that. Now you can see all the different options that are available when you install a premium theme. By default, you only get a certain amount of options. But once you install a premium theme, you get all these different options, and this is what makes WordPress so flexible and so powerful. You can change the styling, the layout. You can add a featured slider on any page. You've got all different home page widgets that you can add there. Images, you got footer customization, you can add advertising. There's lots of different things you can do to your site to customize the look and feel of your site and change the appearance once you install a really good premium theme. And Woo themes are one of the best, and Studio Press are great also. So let's just have a look at the free themes. If you're on a budget and you don't want to spend $50 or $60 on a premium theme, you might want to find a free theme. Free themes generally don't provide the amount of support that premium themes do. They're generally not updated as regularly as premium themes, and generally you have to learn more about customization and coding if you want to change the appearance, unless there's built-in design options. But if you're wanting a free theme, go to Appearance, Themes, click on Install Themes, and we can come down here and we can choose. So you might want to, you're looking for a specific color. Let's go for orange. You might want a 3-column layout, flexible width, fixed width. We want a flexible width. Features, you might want full width template, front page posting, different post formats. Let's try that. Subject, photo blogging. Click Find Themes, and you can easily search for a different theme. This is not a bad free theme. It's called Suffusion. It's quite popular. Personally, I wouldn't use a free theme, but there are some very nice free themes that have been created, and you can download them directly from the WordPress.org themes gallery or in the back end of your WordPress site. So let's just preview this theme and have a look at what it looks like. Let's just activate it, might be easier. Bit slow to load. You'll find a lot of the free themes aren't coded as well as the premium themes, so they can look very nice, and certainly there is some really good quality free themes, but generally the quality isn't as good as the premium themes. And as you can see from this one, it's taking quite a long time to install, so I don't think it's been coded that well. So it's finally installed. Let's just activate it, and we'll just have a look at the different options that are available. So different themes give you different design options. I'm not really familiar with this particular theme, but you can see that there's different options here. Let's have a look at the header image. You can upload a header image. This is pretty standard, really. You've probably got just as many options with the default theme here. You can change the background. This is standard with the default WordPress theme, so you wouldn't need to install another theme if you want to do this. Now here's the specific theme options, and if you go in here, obviously this is going to show you what the different options are, and so you can check out all the different options and decide on which theme is suitable to the particular site that you want to create. Now let's just have a look at something a little bit more advanced. We'll just have a brief look at it. Under the Appearance tab at the very bottom, you've got what's called the editor. And if you purchase a premium theme like a Studio Press theme, which is built on Genesis, you'll find that they provide a lot of custom coding, and it might sound fairly technical, but they make it very easy, and they provide all the code and give you the instructions on how to customize your site, and basically you just need to copy and paste the code into the editor. So I'll show you the different editors. You go to Appearance Editor, and you'll find, let's just go back to one of the Studio Press themes, and let's have a look at Magazine, which is the one I actually use on wpsites.net, and you'll see the different templates that this theme includes when you installed it. There's only one, two, three, four. There's only 5 different files, so it's very, very efficiently coded. It's, in my opinion, probably the most perfectly coded WordPress themes and framework. StudioPress are. So the two major files that you'll be dealing with if you're wanting to change the appearance is the style sheet. They call it style.css file, and this just pretty much shows you the different CSS code which is used to change the appearance and style the different elements of your theme. And it shows you the different fonts, the hyperlinks, the body, images, navigation, and it gives you a list of the different elements of your theme, and here's the different coding which is used. So when you want to customize your own site, if you purchase a premium theme, they'll give you the custom coding if you want to make changes to this, and it's fairly easy. It's not that you don't have to actually write any code, they'll just give it to you. So and they provide quite a large library of different custom coding, and also an excellent support for them if you get stuck or make a mistake. So that's the style sheet, and let's just have a look at the theme functions. This is the functions file, which includes the PHP coding. You need to be very careful with this coding here, because if you make a mistake here, your website will break. It's what they call the white screen of death. It'll just go white. It'll come up with an error message, and you'll have to reinstall the theme or fix the problem which you caused. So this is some of the custom coding that I've put into my site, some PHP coding. This is all the custom coding here, and above this is all the default PHP coding. So they're the two major theme files, the style sheet and the theme functions. And we can look at the Genesis theme frame. If we go back to that free theme called Suffusion, let's just have a look at that. And you can see the enormous amount of files there are in this Suffusion. It's just a huge amount of files, and this is because it's a free theme. It's not coded very efficiently, as you can see. There are just so many files compared to the StudioPress themes. It's a massive difference. So I hope that gives you a bit of a general understanding of themes. It's very easy to change themes in WordPress. You can upload multiple themes and they'll always be installed, and you can very simply preview them and activate them and change your theme. You want to be very careful choosing which theme you start out with. Some themes do actually lock you in. They provide certain features that you can use, which are really great features for styling your website and your blog, but it can include code that only works for that specific theme, and that's called theme lock. So you have to be very careful of which theme you choose when you first start install WordPress, and when you first start customizing your site's appearance. So thanks for watching, folks, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.